Do you want to see how you can win this? Custom, one-off, Attack on Titan state deck. Stick around. What up, y'all? The Jeff Wilson here, and today I'm going to be working on skateboards. Now, skateboards are something I do a lot of on some of my other machines, but let's see how well it works on this Xtool D1 Pro today. Now, very first thing we got to do, we got to import our art into the Xtool program right here. That way I can make sure everything's laid out, looks right how it should. Like I said, we designed this up in CorelDRAW as always. Now, like I said, you don't have to use CorelDRAW. That's just my go-to program. Now, one thing you got to worry about on this is the skateboards aren't flat. So they got a little bit of a curve. So I am raised up a little higher than what I'd like it to be. But with this image, we shouldn't have no issues. Now, the main thing is whenever we're framing it out, make sure this is not hitting anywhere and that our board is good and secure on here. Now, I did forget to mention, I did have to remove this from here because it was catching my board, and I just can't have that. Now, with us having everything all lined up, it's time to hit that start button and let us start engraving. Now, like I said, this process will take about 47 minutes. So we'll let us do its thing, and I'll get back with y'all. Time for the moment of truth. That skate deck. Really like it. Now, normally I would do on this side, but this blank deck came to me painted black. With that painted on there, I didn't feel like sanding it today. So that's the reason we did on this side. And now, if you want to win this, all you need to do is comment down below and like this video. And if you want some bonus points, share this around. Now with this Xtool D1 Pro, as you see, no issue on skateboards. It's wood. And it did some great detail on there for me as well. Something I really like about, heck, just lasers in general. Just some of the stuff they can do. Now, like I said, this can make all sorts of projects. And this is just one. I had a skateboard laying around that I wanted to play with just to make something on there. And to be able to give it to y'all. Now, like I said, I can't sell this. Like I said, do the what's on here. But if you are wanting custom stuff like this, and you don't have the money to drop down on a laser, now granted, I do have some coupons on, or discount code down below on this laser, but you can always hit me up. Like I said, I do own Texas Laser Works, which we specialize in laser engraving, so it's something to keep in mind. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, y'all take it easy.